Hi, I'm Hannah, a Senior Marketing Specialist here at Syvantis. Thanks for joining us for another Syvantis Fast class. Today, I'll be talking about a pretty big update coming to Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys, Microsoft's recent decision to remove the social media management tool from the application. With Customer Insights Journeys, there are two important dates to be aware of: December 2nd, 2024 and June 30th, 2025. On December 2nd, 2024, the social media management functionality, as well as the LinkedIn lead generation tool, will be removed from Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Today, we'll be focusing on the removal of the social media tool. The entire outbound marketing module will be removed from the product on June 30th, 2025, so you must have completed your transition to real-time by then, and Microsoft has stated that there will be no exceptions to this deadline. You may be wondering why this feature is being removed. Microsoft cites low overall usage of the social media feature, in addition to their strategic shift to focus on real-time journey capabilities as influences in this decision. Microsoft is prioritizing more strategic features that offer their customers better ROI on their marketing efforts. An outbound marketing social media feature did not fit into their overall product roadmap to deliver modern workplace solutions. So, if you actively use outbound marketing social media function, you may be wondering what this means for you and what steps you need to take. And as we'll discuss in a moment, there are still some interactions that the real-time area can have with social media. If you have at some point used Dynamics to automate your social media posting and analytics gathering, you have a few options when it comes to saving your existing data. The social media management tool was run as a one-way communication with each platform, meaning that Dynamics 365 never actually operated or hosted any kind of interaction management. So all your historical interaction data will still exist natively within each platform. And if you need to hold on to this historical data, you can export to Excel or use the Visualize This View Power BI tool. The Power BI tool can be saved to your workspace and accessed with the rest of your created reports. Since the entire social media module will be removed from the app on December 2nd, 2024, I recommend going in on December 1st and exporting your insights to an Excel sheet to use and reference as historical data, so to speak. Don't forget that you can always pull data into Power BI directly from each of your different data sources too. And we can always help you get started with this kind of dashboard if you don't already have one. So that covers post analytics. And in terms of actually managing your social media accounts and scheduling out your posts, there are still a few options that you have outside of Dynamics 365. One way to keep managing your social media presence is scheduling and posting directly through each individual platform. This isn't really ideal for organizations running multi-step campaigns or utilizing a breadth of platforms, but at the very least, you can still manually post through your individual platform accounts. In-app scheduling does offer the lowest overall cost and could be manageable for organizations with just a single profile on a handful of platforms. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that you'll still have to manually manage replies, comments, and interactions on each of your platforms, but at least the scheduling option helps take some of the work off your plate. Twitter or X, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube all have built-in post scheduling tools that can help you batch out a calendar of social media content. For X, scheduling posts is accessible on the desktop version of any account or on mobile with a paid subscription to a pro account. With a professional or business Instagram account, single image and multi-image posts, as well as videos and reels, can be scheduled natively in the app or desktop version, as well as in the Meta Business Suite. Note that Instagram stories can only be scheduled using the Meta Business Suite. With a Facebook business page or profile in professional mode, posts can be managed in the Meta Business Suite or scheduled natively in the app or desktop version. The standard YouTube upload process already includes a post scheduling tool, which can also be edited, canceled, or set to post right away. LinkedIn has a built-in post scheduler. When you create a LinkedIn post, you will see a clock button next to the post button. Use this to select the date and time, as well as any other posts you've scheduled. If there are any other platforms that your organization utilizes, I encourage you to look into their documentation and see if their standard functionality supports post scheduling, at least as a short-term workaround until you have a game plan pulled together. Now, if you still want to keep some sort of social platform data in Customer Insights, it's possible to integrate it in some ways. Some businesses use Facebook Marketplace or Instagram, for instance, for their marketing and sales processes. Depending on what data you want to pull, store, and use from a given platform, and for what purpose, like triggering outreach or storing on contact or lead records, it's possible that this can be facilitated in customer insights. Some social media platforms, like Facebook, also have more direct integrations with CRM systems detailed in their developer documentation. If you have a specific use case for which you'd want to bring in data from a social media platform, you can reach out to us and we can talk about it further with you. So what about actually managing your social media posting now? The good news is there are lots of tools out there to help automate and manage your social media accounts across your platforms, many of which have low cost and nonprofit pricing tiers as well. We've compiled a list of tools that you can look into and see what may work for your organization. I want to preface that we aren't recommending any particular service or tool as we haven't tested anything. Rather, they are popular options that we have compiled at a few different price points and some specific use cases as well. I'll go over them and try to cover a few of the pricing tiers, notable features, and if they offer some nonprofit discounts. And one thing to keep in mind is that across all of these tools, you'll save the most when opting for an upfront annual billing plan. So let's get started with the platforms that are in that low price range. And by that, I mean anywhere from $5 to $30 per month. Buffer is one tool with several pricing tiers at entry-level price points. There's even a free tier too. The next tiers are offered at $5 and $10 per month, respectively. Buffer is a platform that charges by the channel. So if you only have a few key accounts, for example, this could be an option to keep your overall costs low on a small number of platforms. Buffer also has an analytics add-on product that pulls social media insights into your Shopify e-commerce data, allowing you to view the relationship between channel performance and Shopify data. Buffer also offers a 50% discount for nonprofits. Later is a platform whose starter tier is $16.67 per month, and their growth tier is offered at $30 per month, and they offer a 50% discount to nonprofits. The starter tier gives you one user and the ability to connect to one social set, one social profile across 7 platforms: Facebook, Instagram, X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. You can schedule 30 posts per social profile per month. Their growth tier gives you 3 users and 3 social sets, meaning 3 accounts on the platforms mentioned just a second ago. You can schedule 150 posts per social profile per month. And if you need to add additional users, you can pay $3.33 per month. Sendable has a starting creator tier at $25 per user per month, and the platform offers a 25% discount to nonprofits. The Sendable creator tier gives you 1 user and a connection to 6 profiles with unlimited post scheduling each month. Note that the next tier up, their traction tier, jumps up to $76 per month to grant you 4 users and 24 social profiles. So just keep that in mind if you think you'll want a scalable option or will need more than 1 user. Loomly offers their base tier at $30 per user per month with a 50% discount for nonprofits. One neat thing about Loomly is their Canva integration, allowing you to import your designs directly into Loomly. The base tier gives you 2 users and the ability to connect 10 accounts. Okay, so now I'll cover a few tools in the medium price range. Really, these are the same tools I've already touched on, but just at higher tiers to grant you more users, features, and functionality. Later's advanced tier comes in at $53.33 per month, giving you 6 users and 6 sets of social media accounts. This is the plan that they recommend for growing teams, as additional users can be added for $3.33 per month. Loomly offers their standard tier at $60 per month for 6 users and 20 social media accounts. This tier comes with a Teams integration that allows you to receive channel notifications in-app. And now I'll quickly touch on a few tools at an enterprise level. First up is Hootsuite. Typically, Hootsuite is in the enterprise class of applications, but they have an enticing discount for nonprofit organizations. Their starting tier, the professional plan, is normally billed at $99 per month. But with their nonprofit pricing, this comes in at just $24.50 per month. Hootsuite's social media tool has built-in campaign planners and content calendars, an approval system, and can even manage ads on social media platforms. Their next tier up is the team plan, normally $249 per month, but brought down to just $64.50 per month for nonprofits. This team plan also lets you organize your users by department and grant team roles and permissions. Lastly, I'll touch on Sprout Social. This is a popular tool but comes at a steep price point. Their standard tier is offered at $199 per user per month, and the professional tier is $299 per user per month. Their advanced tier is $399 per user per month. Sprout does offer a nonprofit discount, but does not disclose this pricing publicly. Sprout is a costly option, but is a strong enterprise-level contender. With all the changes Microsoft has made to the marketing app you know and love, we're here to help you stay aware and ready to make the most of these changes. In fact, we have created a special Syvantis Learn on-demand course to help you with the transition from outbound marketing to real-time marketing. This video will be part of that course, as will many other videos and resources we've been working on and compiling. The course is called Make the Move from Outbound to Real-Time Marketing, and it's free for Syvantis clients, as well as anyone who are not our clients, but who need help with this move. All you need to do to get free access to this class is sign up for a free Syvantis Learn account. Head over to our course catalog at learn.syvantis.com to see details about this course and jump into it. Please reach out to your Syvantis team for assistance, or if you have any ideas to discuss regarding the tools we covered today, or if you have any additional questions regarding outbound marketing, real-time journeys, setting up Power BI dashboards, or more. Thanks for tuning in to today's class. Tune in next week to learn about the nuances of costing methods in Business Central.